guys, this is Dvija. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've landed here for the very first time. So as you can see, I'm very different today because, well, this makeup tutorial is going to be a bit of mix of like 90s matte look plus Indian kind of style makeup look plus Western. I mean, I have tried to mix a lot of things. Also because you wanted me to do a tutorial since a very long time, so I thought I'll get you guys something very different. So I hope you guys like the way it looks, and so yeah, just get ready with me and hop in. I'm going to my sister-in-law's, like my brother's and my sister-in-law's baby shower, and it's like Indian baby shower, so obviously I'm going to dress like that as well. So I'm going to do a little bit of Indian makeup, so I was like, I think this is the perfect time for doing a tutorial. Up to skincare first. I'm gonna use this intensive under eye regimen gel cream enriched with natural ingredients. I have a video up for this product. I just found out why my lips are like really dry. It's because a lipstick. It's this one. Never use it. It butchers the lips. Look at my lips. I mean, they were so good that before the day I applied this, and the next day, stretchy. It's, oh my god, it's painful. It's painful. I live and swear by this product since ages now. It's non-sticky, it acts really well on your skin. It's best for sensitive skin like mine. Fine, so then I go with the moisturizer. I use Cetaphil. This is also pretty common for sensitive skin. I use a lot of moisturizer at night before I sleep and when I wake up, because I don't go out anywhere right now. If I go out, I usually don't put moisturizer because the germs stick on your face right now, these days. I'm not talking about every day, just these days. My skin is so dry right now, and it's paining. It's burning. Skin is actually cool tone on my face, but like my hands, they are more neutral or like a little bit on the warmer side, so it's just really weird. I don't know, I feel it's weird. My dark circles, people usually have dark circles, and if they use like this red or orange shades, it works really fine for them. But for me, I have to use lavender or pink shades because it's reddish or green. I usually don't use a lot of makeup while I do reaction videos. Like these days I don't even use makeup. I just like apply moisturizer, skincare, and do the concealer right over here. Ouch, I poked my eye. Right over this part, and then use the same lipstick if I'm using one and use it as a blush. That's it, because I'm just really lazy. But your ears, actually it feels really good when you do this. If you guys know some better lip balm, let me know, because none work for me. I usually use Key, and I use a cream, like the natural products, that helps much better. I don't use concealers, especially this one. Like, it's really high coverage, but I feel it dries my skin out a lot, so I don't use it. I don't like that. I prefer the dewy finish. Loose powder. Yeah, so I was saying I don't want a lot of coverage unless I am on a shoot or I have a dance performance, because then I need coverage, HD pictures, or else I don't like it. I usually use BB cream. I don't even use foundations anymore. I'm going to set this because my eyelids are very oily. Even though I set it, it's still gonna get oily. I know that. We'll need this again. Okay, so I'm using the Savannah colors. It's a bronzer and a highlighter palette, but I usually use this brown for my crease. Even this has a lot of fallouts, so everything has, because they usually fall and then they lose itself, like it breaks basically. And this Mars palette, I'm gonna use the black color and the tip. This is going to have like the most fallouts, again because it's not high end. These products may be like cheap monetarily, but they work very fine, and I haven't seen anything bad effect of it on my skin, so I think it's pretty fine. Okay. I'm going to take another part of the tip and smudge it.
It's a liquid liner. I'll always have these hair strands coming in between whenever I'm doing things like that. Yeah.
You would not believe me. I have had this since a very long time, but I haven't used it properly. It's crazy. And like 2 days back, I'm just using this because I don't have makeup on, and I still want to do the reaction videos. So I just don't want to look that bad. So I just curled my lashes, and it was so good. I think I did not know how to curl my lashes before, but now I do a bit. I think I do know something. Wait. I can't do it. Wait, I'm gonna do this off screen and then get back. Okay. I don't know. I was under performance pressure. If I'm not, I think so. Fine. Mascara. I'm using this MAC mascara. I'll tell you this thing that I have used a lot of mascaras, but I still feel Maybelline has the best mascara. Not even Smashbox, Estee Lauder, or MAC.
Trying my best to keep a straight face because I'm always like, but that's fine.
So I'm back. I think it's not that bad. So the color shows up better. I just feel it does work. I feel I have like a very close set of eyes, so if I do this, it looks better. Look at the fallouts, man. going to add this here. This is better, this is way better. I'm just going to add it here. I have this glitter liner, but I have it in silver, but that's fine. I'm just going to do it like here. I think this looks much better. I'm happy with how it has turned out. Just bought it, what the hell? Okay, fine. This is something that I use. This is the only thing that I use. It is Pond's BB Cream. I never liked Pond's, believe me. But I do like this. I'm just going to take the smallest amount possible. I'm going to build it up rather than using a lot of it. I'm going to use the full blender that I have and use it, obviously. I can't use the same proper, like, I can't keep a proper face, but that's fine. A little bit of Sandra in my life. Okay, so for loose powder I'm gonna use Fit Me, and I usually use this one. I use Fit Me. I just feel like Fit Me is really good. Like Fit Me's foundation, I have that too, but I'm just not gonna use it because I don't want to use it. And I used to have Fit Me's concealer, and I feel like that concealer is the best. It gives sheer but good coverage, plus it's not dry your skin out like really high-end concealers. That's what I feel, and I love it. Okay, fine. So I'm just saying that because like there is the light which does not reach my forehead, it looks like I haven't done anything here, but it's pretty fine. That's fine. So I'm not going to use this everywhere, just under my eyes and my T-zone. Where did I place? Okay. Mascara, not any clear gel. I always use mascara for my eyebrows. Not really that big, they're like really long, but whatever. For contouring, these days I don't even contour anymore. I'm just so lazy. Whenever I go out, I don't. I use the blush as a contour these days. That's crazy. I know, but whatever. What is this? Okay. This is the most important place I like to contour. I feel I don't have a good jawline, so I try to make it at least a little bit sharper if it gets sharper. Good for me. I think it's okay. Nose. My tip is usually very like bulbous. Other than that, my nose is pretty skinny. Just like on the tip, it's a little bit bulbous. I have short forehead, so I don't do anything there. Just leave it the way it is. I like huge foreheads. Huge? Wait. I mean big foreheads. Use the same highlighter to highlight. Brush. I've like tried so many highlighters, but I just always feel like Savannah has the best highlighter, the one I have used, from the ones I have used. Two Miss Claire lipsticks. One is 55. I need to buy this again, and one is number 0960. I think it's 09. It is nude. Recently I have fallen for nude so much. It's very nude. Since my lips are really dry, I'm not going to just use this. I'm going to use a lip gloss over this so that I feel better when I talk, because it's really stretchy over this part, and I think this is like extremely nude and I want some color, so I'm going to add this 55 on top of it. I'm going to use the same one, I hope, yeah, and use it as a blush. I always feel like blush ties everything together, so let's tie it together. And we are done. That's what I think. Said I'm going to apply lip gloss, but I completely forgot. It's a Revlon lip gloss, and I love this gloss, and it's over almost at this point. It's nude too, but like little pinky nude. Overline my lips a bit. Yeah. And now I'm gonna like get ready and get back. So I am back. I just had this earrings. That's my dupatta. I have the bindi, and I think this is enough. Yes. Fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed and thought it's different. I think it turned out pretty fine because I did not have much thoughts before doing it. But yeah, it turned out pretty fine. So here it is, and I need to go now. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.